Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing, unbagging from Nadine West, which is a clothing subscription. And I have a couple bundles to show you. They also send you a label that tells you how much everything costs, so I always put that in the description box below in case you want to know. And then a return label, so if there's anything you don't want, you just put it back in the bag, put that return label on there, and then they won't charge you for what's returned. So here's my piece of jewelry. This looks like a dress. Let's see. Oh, that's actually really cute. A lot of the dresses that I get sent are really short, and you could kind of wear them like with leggings under, but this isn't. It's pretty long. Well, it's like a good length. And it's real flowy. That is actually something I might look good in, hopefully. We'll see. I will post pictures. I don't have like a really good place to take pictures anymore now that I moved. So I take them in my closet and I'll like post like the full length so you could see it, but the lighting's a little off in there. So it's not as nice as it was in the last place. But here's another cute top. It's very flowy. Looks like it might be a little short on me. I feel like I have a long torso, but like, this is cute. I like that. It's always been really hard, even when I was super skinny, for me to find clothes. Either the shirts are too short or just women's sizing in general is just ridiculous. Here's a cool little silver leaf necklace. But I can remember being 120 pounds and I'm about 5'6", and still having to wear like a large in girls, and I always thought that I was fat. And now that I'm older, I'm actually overweight. I'm like, I should have been proud to be in a large because I was thin. But that's how life is. You're always thinking you're big or small or whatever, instead of just being happy where you are currently. So here are some comfy pants. These are super soft and stretchy. Is that called damask? I think is what that print is called. It's cute. Wear a lot of lounge pants, so that works. And then some black jeggings. I pretty much only wear black, which is why I like this. It kind of brings a little bit of color into my wardrobe. Little belt. Those are cute. And then lastly, I have, surprisingly, a tank top, even though it's going to be super cold here now. It's been cold, but today it's supposed to be like 80. I can't keep up with Midwest weather. But yeah, this is cute. Very cute. So I will put the pictures now, I'll insert them, and then I'll put a link below in case you want to join. You get a free shipping, I believe is what the promo code's for. So I'll have all that in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.